Good morning, Baler. Wow. I'm not really your morning person, pero minsan lang tayo na dito sa Eastern Seaboard ng Pilipinas. Might as well say good morning to Mr. Pacific. So this is where the sun rises first. Ito yung base in. Yes, literally, this is where the sun rises first sa Pilipinas. Ang ating East Coast. Magandang umaga, guys. Good morning from Baler, Aurora.